I'm Neil with Oceanside Motorsports, and here is our new everyday low price BMW oil change. At OMS, we believe wholeheartedly in preventative maintenance, and now we've made it more affordable than ever. We took our same premium level oil service and cut the price in half. Our service still includes our specialty top tier full synthetic engine oil, specifically made for your engine, a premium engine oil additive made by BG, an insanely thorough complete car health check that covers up to over 300 components, a super nice car wash inside and out, and if you drop off in the morning, you get fresh baked cookies. Our premium oil service for a BMW is just 98 bucks. That applies to all BMWs without an M badge on it. If it's an M car, it gets a little bit of a fancier oil, and those are 198. All the other stuff is still included. Looking to take extra good care of your car and save money on oil services? You should check out our Lifetime Oil Service Club. Membership starts at just $392 and covers oil changes on your car forever. Yes, forever. You get 3 oil changes per year forever, and you don't pay for any of those. Now, there's still one thing we're not good at, and that is moving fast. It takes us all freaking day to change the oil in your car by the time we've carefully serviced your engine, hand washed your car, baked another batch of cookies. You get it. So we try to make up for that with our complimentary services like loaner cars, a ride to work, or vehicle pickup and delivery service. So we can pick up your vehicle, do the awesome service I was just talking about, wash it, bring it back to you, all for 98 bucks. So hit me up with any questions. We love servicing cars. So let me know when I can work on yours.